Tomorrow that Lennox says bye-bye, and Arco Air takes its place. What's up, YouTube? We just pulled up on a service call and it's nasty. It's got a little sprinkle, but I thought I'd tell y'all this. That Lennox right there, tomorrow morning that old Lennox is going bye-bye. Changing the whole system on that one tomorrow. That's actually the mom and dad of the house that I'm at right now. So we're gonna go in here and see what's going on with this unit. Said it's not cooling. Nobody home. I got a key somewhere right here, so I'm gonna find it and get in here, and I'll take y'all along with me. Okay, we're at the thermostat. Put it on cool. Turn here. We don't have any fan, but I think I can hear the fan trying to run. I don't want the condenser to run, so I'll just put the fan in the on position. Yeah, y'all probably can't hear it, but I can hear the fan trying to run, so let me go up there and see what we got. Okay, we're in a really tight attic. This air handler should look familiar to several of you, especially Zach. He's got a lot of them in his area. No Goodman with a dirty blower wheel and the famous Goodman cabinet. It's a A49 4-ton air handler, and I could smell something burning in here. I could smell like a burnt smell, but I don't see anything visibly burnt. But what I do see, the capacitor is swollen really bad. So I don't know if that's, you know, I'm sure the motor's been trying to start. It's a 12.5 microfarad capacitor, and that's why the motor's not starting. I'm hoping that's all it is, because it's not easy to get back here in this attic, that's for sure. So I'm going to go run down to the truck, grab a capacitor, and see if that'll do it. Okay, here's an old capacitor. Nothing. New capacitor. $12.99. Let's hope that's all it is, because this is an attic I really don't feel like changing a blower motor in. New capacitor's in place. We're going to hit the breaker and pray that that's all it is. Oh, that's what I wanted to see. They definitely need an update, though. They need one just like their mom. They don't look too bad in here. You can see that old evaporator's rusted out real good. Fan don't look good. I showed y'all the mold on the blower wheel a minute ago. So, all right, I'm gonna button this thing up and get out of this attic. Okay, we're back in the house. I can clearly hear the blower running now. So I'm gonna go to auto. Blower should kick off. I know that Goodman fan relay has a time delay on it. Okay, there it goes. The blower has finally shut down. Go to cool. 70 degrees. Should hear the stat click. There it goes, it clicked. There's the fan. Go outside, make sure the outdoor unit is operational. Maybe throw the little blue gauge on there and see if Freon looks okay. Alright, there it is. The old Goodman. $3.5 ton from 2000. Okay, you can see it's at about 75 pounds, 70 pounds. That's about where I expect it to be. Is this a scientific way of checking Freon? Absolutely not. But she was only complaining that the blower wasn't working. So there's, 75 pounds is about where I expect it. It's an old system. And once I tell her about the mold and stuff that I found, she's probably going to go ahead and let me change the damn thing out. But just by slapping this little gauge on there, I seen that the evaporator was clean. The blower does have a little bit of mold on it, so it's probably not moving as many CFMs as it's supposed to. But with that kind of pressure, I know that it won't freeze up and it will keep them cool. So I'm going to call it good. The blower's back running. The pressure's look, well, this is about where I would expect it to be. So with that, I'm going to call this one good. And I'm going to let her know about the mold and stuff, and we'll probably be updating this one just like her parents right there across the street, that Lennox I showed you at the beginning of the video. So, alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Gotta pick yourself up for another day of blissfulness. Oh, how I'll miss your kiss. Get yourself high till you feel low down, and you're so burned out on the whole downtown again. Until the end, my friend. Never really thought that I'd learn from you, but now it always seems I'm always in your shoes. Somehow, some way, I lose. The daylight is burning and the night is coming on, and you're slowly getting up while another day has gone away. Happening every day. You get yourself